So let's summarize now the whole derivation. We started out when the charges were infinitely apart. And we said, by definition, the energy in this configuration is 0. Then we brought the first charge from infinity and we put it at point P1. And we found that the energy is still 0 in this configuration. This movement does not involve any change in energy. But then when we brought the second charge from infinity and we put it at point P2, we got a change in energy. And so now the energy is this value. And this is the amount of work done by the external agent to move the charge 2 from infinity and put it at point P2. Then when we went from this configuration to the last configuration where we had now the third charge at point P3, there was also some difference in energy. And that difference in energy was these two terms. These two terms are extra terms due to the motion of charge Q3 from infinity and putting it at point P3. So the total energy in this configuration consists of the old energy in this configuration plus the new two terms due to the motion of charge Q3, bringing Q3 to point P3. So if you want to go back to the derivation and look at the idea, if you want to look at it algebraically, this is the energy to bring the external work needed to bring the first charge was 0. Now, to bring the second charge, we had to do external work to bring the second charge. This was the amount of work done by the external agent to bring the second charge. This was the amount of work done by the external agent to bring the third charge. How come there are two terms here? Because when you're bringing the third charge, there's already one charge there. There's already two charges there waiting in that region. There's charge Q1 and Q2 waiting. So as you bring the third charge, the third charge is affected by the charges Q1 and Q2. When you bring the fourth charge, there are already 3 charges in that region of space that are there. So you expect when you the fourth term, or the charge when you have charge 4, you'll have 3 terms, extra terms. So if you keep on adding, you can get a formula for the energy in any configuration of charges by following the same idea.